Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to get rich in Taxi Boss on Roblox. Let's get started. First, open the Roblox app on your phone and make sure you are logged into your account. First thing you want to do is upgrade your taxi, not buy random cars. When you open the garage tab, upgrades and focus on speed and passenger pay. Speed helps you finish ride faster and passenger pay gives you more money every trip. Next tip is always pick short rides. On iPhone, tap the closest passenger you see. Short rides give less money but you finish them faster, which means more cash per minute. Now, this part is very important. Don't crash. Crashing slows you down and wastes time. Drive smooth, don't rush corners, and always follow the GPS lines on your screen. Another easy way to get rich is using codes. Tap the menu button, go to the codes and redeem all walking codes. These codes give you free cash and boots and they really help at the start. When you have enough money, buy better taxi slowly. Don't spend everything at once. Make sure the taxi earns more than your old one before switching. And that's it. Follow these steps, stay patient, and you will be rich in Taxi Boss on Roblox. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.